All right, let's take a look at this one where we have parentheses 2 times, not just once, but twice. So, yeah, let's figure that out. Okay, so let's just think about the first set of parentheses and not even worry about the rest at the beginning. So, I want to distribute that -4. That just means multiply it. -4 times 1 is -4. -4 times -2x is positive 8x. Now, let's do the second one. -7 times 1 is -7. -7 times 2x is -14x. I'll bring down equals -35. Nothing to do with that. So we're good. So the second thing we'll do is combine our like terms. So over here, I've got an 8x and a -14x. So 8 minus 14 is -6. So I've got a -6x. And then I've got a -4 and a -7, so that's -11. I'll bring everything else down. Now I've combined all the like terms on the same side of the equation. So now I'm ready to start moving stuff to the other side. Well, in this case, I want to add 11 because I want my numbers to be on the same side of the equation together. So I add 11 to make this 0. That way, the only thing left on the left side is -6x. This is an arrow. I'm just bringing that down. -35 plus 11 means I subtract and I keep the sign of the larger number. So negative, I know my answer is negative, and that's 24. Last thing, divide by the number in front of x. So in this case, I'm dividing by -6. -6 divided by -6 is +1, so that's 1x, which is just x. And then negative divided by negative is positive, and that's a 4. Okay, that's the solution here. So treat the parentheses, just forget about the rest of the problem and just do the distributive property at first. And then combine all of the like terms on the same side of the equation, and then you can start to solve. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.